Hi guys, Steph here. Now, for some of you people that watch on a regular basis, some of you will know that I've been trying to improve my videos. I've been trying to get a little bit better quality on the videos, especially on the close-up shots. I recently bought a camera and yeah, the camera is absolutely great, but unfortunately the close-up shots are not very good, so I'm quite disappointed. I mean, I don't know, it may be me, it might be a sort of duh moment, but I've decided to sell that particular camera and I'm now got something totally different. I've actually got a iPhone from my son. Well, not for free. He obviously wants a little bit of payment for it. But what I'm doing, I'm just trying this iPhone, and so far from this sort of experimenting, it's better than the last two sort of new cameras that I bought. So bear with me. Like I say, it's a new phone, camera, etc. But so far, it looks like I've solved a little bit of a problem. So what we're going to do today is show you this gorgeous pen, and it does what it says on the tin. It's a Cross fountain pen. Now, as I said in numerous sort of Cross videos, as far as I'm concerned, the Cross pens are very, very much underrated. I think they're absolutely superb pens, especially this one. So let's open it up for you there. You can see it's got the cross to the back there. The pen is here. Let's just take that out. Inside, if we lift this little section up here, you can see it's got two cross cartridges. It would have had the converter sat on top there, which is in the pen itself. So there we go, that's the case. Let's show you the pen. And there's the pen. A gorgeous, as I say, if we look at the top there, it says Cross. Okay, now this is the Cross Apogee, or Apogee, the Cross Apogee. It comes in this lovely chrome sort of etched pattern, as you can see, running along the cap there, running along the barrel. It's got this smooth section to the bottom, and it's got this lovely elongated cross clip. Now, the Apogee, or the Apogee should I say, was actually one of the, if you like, top of the range pens of the particular period when this was in, well, when it was actually introduced. As I say, for me personally, I think they're absolutely great pens. It's a metal pen, obviously, so it has a little bit weight to it. It's quite a large pen, i.e. capped. It's 141 millimeters capped around the barrel along this sort of the thickest section. It's 12 millimeters in diameter, and you can see it tapers down, as I said, to this sort of smooth area here. Now, as I say, in my opinion, a superb quality made fountain pen. And as I said again, repeating, very much underrated. Okay, now what you've got here to the bottom of the cap is a sort of frosted area, and then just to the bottom there we've got the word, I think it's Cross. Okay, and then it has established 1846. There's the clip. As I say, it's got this lovely elongated clip. Now, on this pen, there's actually three features that I particularly like. The first one being this clip here, as you can see, is actually spring loaded, which I think is a lovely feature. Now, it's a slip-on cap. If we take the cap off like so, if we show you the pen, sort of numerous different angles, Okay, one of the other things with the cameras, because I've got this backdrop, I have to zoom in slightly. So this one, it looks like I'm filling the whole screen, so I'm going to have to look into it, but it's the first time I've used it, so once again, as with the others, bear with me. So let's show you this section there. You can see the section comes in this black, it's actually a black lacquered section. Okay, it's got the silver ring towards the nib there. And then if we show you the nib, once again, will it focus? I'm hoping so. But the nib is a gorgeous 18 carat 750 cross nib. And this one, I believe, is a medium. So a lovely quality. I think it's actually rhodium plated, i.e. the sort of the silver colour. And then there's the feed underneath. The pen is in gorgeous condition. I don't think it's been inked because it's lovely and clean inside. Now, if we unscrew the barrel, okay, you can see it comes with a converter, the cross converter. Now, the other nice feature about this pen and cross is the converter, there you go, is a screw-in converter. So why don't more sort of, if you like, more pen companies use a screw-in converter? I think that is a big plus. And the third and last thing that I think is very handy and interesting, if we show you the section there, you will see it's got the number 1006 just at the bottom of the section there. Now, when we say what date was this pen sort of made, that 1066 is the date code, and it's telling us that this pen was made October 2006. So if every other pen you manufacturer just simply put the date code somewhere on the pen, it would save us a lot of trouble in the future when we're trying to date these pens. As I said, a lovely comfortable pen to hold. Even with this sort of lacquered section, it's sort of nice and warm. Very nice indeed. So what we'll do, because we're going to find a new home for this pen, somebody will enjoy it for many years to come, let's just do a dip test and let's see how the pen writes. So what we've got is a Cross Apogee fountain pen, as we said, with a medium nib. I don't expect there to be any flex, and as you can see there isn't any, but with a quality pen like this, it's writing very nicely. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll clean that nib once we've done the video, and as I say, we'll try and find a new home for this gorgeous pen. So what we've got, as I say, the Cross Apogee fountain pen, dated from 2006. One of the sort of top of the range pens of that particular period, with the Cross or AT Cross fountain pen company. So there we have it. So there's the Cross Apogee fountain pen. The video done on this iPhone camera. A little bit better, I think, than the previous camera. We've still got a little bit of playing to do. Let's see if we can sort of I'm actually reaching quite far, sort of behind the camera, so it's a little bit uncomfortable. But so far, I think it's quite presentable. What do you guys think? Let me know. Leave a comment down below. Don't be shy. Subscribe to the channel as well. Just below there, give the video a thumbs up as well. But for now, I'm just going to say Slava Ukraini. And from me and this gorgeous pen, I'm just going to say bye-bye for now.